In this lecture video, we'll discuss Module 5 of VTU syllabus. I am Ravindra Konduguli, Department of Mechanical Engineering, BLD Engineering College, Vijapur. In this video, we'll discuss Module 5 Milling Machine. In the last lecture video, we have discussed lathe. If we see a milling machine, these are the contents which we will discuss. Lathe we have discussed in the previous lecture video. If we go for that again, if we observe lathe here, the principle on which lathe machine work is there will be a rotating workpiece. This is the principle of lathe. There will be a rotating workpiece and there will be a stationary tool. This is a tool. This is the principle of lathe. There is a rotating workpiece which is cutted by a tool which moves in this direction as well as it moves in this direction. When it moves like this, that is against the workpiece, the rotating workpiece gets cutted off and chips are formed. Here the important thing here is, for a lathe the workpiece is rotating and the cutting tool is stationary. And important one more thing here is, whatever the cutting tool, this is the cutting tool, it will be having single point. This is called a single point cutting tool. There will be only one point which cuts the workpiece. That is, there will be only one point. Here also, drilling also, there will be only one point which cuts, and workpiece is rotating and tool is stationary, tool is fed against the workpiece. This is regarding lathe. But if we discuss, if we want to know the this bit, that is milling, it is different. Milling is a process, it is also one of the machining process only. Milling is one of the machining process. Here in milling, the important thing is, the whatever the cutting tool that will rotate, cutting tool will rotate, this will rotate, cutting tool will rotate, and it cuts the workpiece. Milling is a process or a metal cutting process which involves removing of a excess material from the workpiece. Here cutting tool is rotating and it is not a single point cutting tool, it is a multi point cutting tool. That is important. Cutting tool is a multi point cutting tool. Here it is a multi point cutting tool. In the lathe process, there it is a single point cutting tool. Here it is a multi point cutting tool, and here the milling cutting tool rotates and workpiece is fed against the cutting tool. This cutting tool rotates, it is not stationary tool, it is a cutting tool, it is rotating tool. The cutting tool rotates and workpiece is fed against the rotating cutting tool. This is the feeding direction. Workpiece is fed against the rotating cutting tool. The cutting tool cuts the workpiece and chips are formed. And principle of working, workpiece is held on a table. Here this is one of the milling machine. Workpiece is held on the work table and feed is provided by moving the table. Here there is a, this is one of the Milling machine here. This is a rotating cutting tool. This is a rotating cutting tool. It rotates, and here is the workpiece. Here is the workpiece. Work The cutting tool rotates, and workpiece is fed against the rotating cutting tool. Cutting tool. The teeth cut the workpiece. And there are two types of millings. One is up milling and down milling. Up milling is called as conventional milling also. Here, this is a rotating cutting tool, and this is the workpiece. Here, if we observe this, the direction of the rotation of the cutting tool is like this, and workpiece is fed in the opposite direction of the rotation of the cutting tool. If workpiece is fed against the opposite direction of the rotation of the cutter, metal removed when the cutter moves upwards. When the cutter, as it moves upwards, it removes the metal. At the beginning of the cutting process, the chip thickness is at the minimum. As the process of the cutting proceeds, thickness of the chip increases. Means at the beginning, here, when at the beginning of it cuts minimum, and at its proceeds further, it cuts maximum. During up milling, chip gets accumulated at the cutting zone and interfere the revolving of the cutter. Providing cooling is the difficulty here. Up milling means it is the process in which workpiece is fed in opposite direction to that of the rotating cutting tool. Down milling means here we can see this is the direction of the rotation of the cutting tool, and this is the direction of the workpiece. They are in the same direction. This type of process is called as down milling. The direction of the cutter and the cutting to workpiece both are in same direction, therefore it is called as down milling. In this type, initially at the beginning, the cutting tool cuts maximum chip, further it cuts minimum, its thickness of the chips decreases. The cutting force acts in the downward direction, which reduces the clamping force required. Here the cutting force will be in this direction, therefore it clamping force is minimum, required is less. Efficient cooling can be done here for this type. We can classify the milling machine based on different types. Here we will discuss when the job surface is parallel to the axis of the rotation, it is called as peripheral milling. Face milling, we will discuss these one by one. Up milling and down milling we have discussed. Now what is peripheral milling and face milling? Those two will discuss. Different types of milling machines are horizontal milling machine or plane milling machine, vertical milling, universal milling, fixed bed, planar, special purpose milling machine. Horizontal milling machine or knee and column type. This is one of the important sketch. This is a cutting tool here. This is a cutting tool which is mounted on a part called as arbor, and there is a traversing mechanism which can move vertical. This is a vertical traverse mechanism, means this cutting tool, this workpiece is holded here in this portion workpiece is holded. The workpiece is made to move in upward direction using vertical traverse handle, and it can move in the cross in the horizontal direction, that is using cross slide traverse mechanism. This is a machine vise in which the workpiece is held, and this is a column in which the cutting tool rotating mechanism gearbox will be there. This is its front view and its side view. Main parts are base on which everything is mounted, column on which the arbor overarm are mounted, and work table, spindle, overarm. These are the main parts. Vertical milling machine. Horizontal milling machine means the axis. This is the axis of the rotation of the axis is parallel to the feed direction. Yeah, axis is in this direction, and feed is also in this direction. The axis is parallel to the ground actually. This is here in the horizontal milling machine. Axis of the rotation of the cutting tool is parallel to the ground. In vertical milling machine, axis it rotates in this direction. The axis of the rotation of the cutting tool is like this, means the axis is perpendicular to the ground in the vertical milling machine, where vertical position and fixed in a column. These are the different parts. Same parts are there. Base, saddle means on which work there is a machine vise is there, and saddle can traverse vertical, and cross traversing can also be done. Knee on which saddle is there. On saddle there is workpiece will be there. These are the different parts of vertical milling machine. Principal parts of vertical milling machine are base. Base means which supports the other components. These are there in the vertical as well as horizontal milling machine. Column, which contains spindle and its driving mechanism. This is base, and this is column. Knee, a separate section attached to the column which can move vertically over the column. This is the knee. This can move vertically over the column. Saddle, which is supported by and moves horizontal on knee. Saddle is supported by knee and it can move horizontal on knee, means here it is perpendicular to the slide, here it moves. Milling processes. These are the different types: slab milling or plane milling, face milling, straddle milling, slot milling, angular, gang, and foam milling. Slab milling. Slab milling means, this is the sketch for the slab milling. Slab milling is the operation of producing flat horizontal surface. Here, flat surfaces are produced here. Here, axis of the cutting tool is parallel to the surface. Axis of the cutting tool is parallel to the surface. Slab milling is done to remove the material from upper portion of the workpiece. Slab milling cutter is held in the arbor and is made to have straight or helical teeth. The required depth of cut can be adjusted by raising or lowering the table, and feed is given by moving the saddle. Slab milling means mainly here axis of rotation of the cutter is parallel to the surface. Face milling. Face milling, here we can see this is the axis of rotation of the cutter, this is the surface of the workpiece, they are perpendicular. Operation to produce face milling is the operation of milling surface on the face of the workpiece. The difference between the plane milling and face milling is axis of the milling. The operation is performed by the face milling cutter rotated about an axis here. This is important. The axis of the rotation of the cutter is perpendicular to the workpiece surface. The face milling cutter is mounted on a vertical milling machine. The depth of cut is adjusted by lowering the spindle head. Straddle milling. Straddle milling is a process or operation of generating two flat surface. Here, this is one flat surface, second flat surface, two flat surface on either side of the workpiece at the same time. Here, these two flat surface is done on either side of the workpiece. On the side milling cutters are mounted on the arbor of the horizontal. This is done in the horizontal milling machine. The space between the two side mills depends of the width of the vertical surface. Slot milling. Slot milling is a process of producing keyways, grooves, slots, varying shapes known as slotting. Here slot milling means slots are produced like this. Here also this is also slot milling. Slot milling. T slot is cutted, grooves are cutted. This is slot milling. Cutter is mounted on the arbor of the horizontal milling machine. When slotting has to be done on the horizontal milling machine. T slots T slots can be produced here. Gang milling. Gang milling means it is a process of milling a workpiece with two or more cutters mounted on the same arbor. Here this is a arbor on which cutting tool is mounted. This is a angular cutter and this is a plane cutter. These two cutters are mounted on the same arbor on the same workpiece. Two operations are done here. One is angular milling, another one is plane milling. Therefore this type of process is called as gang milling. This is angular milling. Here this cutter, angular double angular milling cutter and plane milling cutter, both are mounted on the same arbor. Simultaneously several operations are done in a gang milling. Okay, these are different types of milling processes.